Hi everyone, in this section we will talk about microbes and environment protection. After learning this section, you should be able to tell microbes-based measures to deal with water pollution and solid pollutants. Firstly, the microbes in sewage treatment. All living things, including ourselves and microbes, need food to grow, maintain, and repair their cells, and to provide a source of energy for life. However, we cannot digest all of the food we eat, and what remains undigested ends up in the sewage system. The main component of sewage is organic matter, but there are other substances such as oil, heavy metals, nitrogen, and phosphorus compounds, which also have to be removed. Here, you will consider the important role of microbes in the sewage treatment process. Please look at the picture. It shows how sewage treatment works. When the wastewater arrives at a treatment works, it is first filtered to remove the large objects which have got into the system. These usually go to a landfill site or incinerator. The remaining material is then allowed to settle so that much of the solid material drops to the bottom of a tank. This solid material is then removed and usually buried in landfill, burned, or, after further treatment, used as fertilizer on agricultural land. On the next, let's look at several key concepts in sewage treatment. BOD, biochemical oxygen demand. The amount of dissolved oxygen that must be present in water in order for microorganisms to decompose the organic matter in the water, used as a measure of the degree of pollution. COD, chemical oxygen demand. Chemical oxygen demand is the amount of oxygen necessary to oxidize all of the organic carbon completely to carbon dioxide and water. TOD, the total oxygen demand. The total oxygen demand measurement is achieved by continuous analysis of the concentration of oxygen in a combustion process gas effluent. DO, dissolved oxygen. The dissolved oxygen is oxygen that is dissolved in water. SS, the suspended solid. Suspended solids refer to small solid particles which remain in suspension in water. TOC, total organic carbon. Total organic carbon analysis is specific to organic compounds and theoretically measures all the covalently bonded carbon in water. There are many equipments for sewage treatment. One of them is completely mixed aeration process, which is a type of wastewater treatment process for treating wastewater or industrial wastewater using activated sludge composed of bacteria and protozoa. Another method is called biological rotting disk process. It is a biological fixed film treatment process used in the treatment of wastewater. Microorganisms grow on the surface of the discs, where biological degradation of the wastewater pollutants takes place. The traditional approach of solid waste treatment is landfill. Another approach is composting, which is a self-heating managed microbial system and one solid phase biological treatment technology. It is suitable to the treatment of a large amount of contaminated solid materials. Finally, let's take a look at the keywords in this section. Okay, that's all for this section.